Hey, Lori.
Yes.
We bought this rig in 2014, correct?
Yes.
And it is a 2005
Yes.
Alpha Leisure See Ya fifth wheel.
Yes.
How old do you think? Oh, you can't hardly see. How old do you think this fire extinguisher is?
At least that old.
2005. At least that old?
Yeah, at least 18 years old.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
I think it's time we upgraded our fire extinguishers.
I think so.
So we've got a couple new ones right here. The difference is these are big ones. These are just a smidge bigger than the other one. So we're going to have to figure out a way to attach this to the wall, because I'm sure the bracket doesn't fit. Let's see if we can take this off the wall. Should be fairly simple. 2 screws. There's one. Oh, 3 screws. And there's 2. Ha! 4 screws.
One hiding behind all the dust.
Yeah, they're hiding behind the dust bunnies. All right. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right. See how you take that off of there. Just pop that off. Oh, this one only has 2 screw holes in it.
A bigger bracket and less screw.
Bigger bracket, not as many screws gonna hold it in. You know what? Let's just see what it looks like. Oh, baby. Of course, it's not gonna line up with any of those screw holes. Well, guess who can fix that?
Make sure that it's at the right height for the fire extinguisher, because it's taller. Where the strap goes on
Right
it.
there. Right there, right there. Fits perfect.
Good.
Now, let's see if this works.
Help push.
Okay. I can't see. How many people does it take to strap in a fire
Apparently
extinguisher?
a lot, because it's really hard plastic and it does reach. It's just a really tight. See how it will go? It's like back here.
Can you push that?
I'm
The
trying.
one on the left?
Yeah. It's not easy. What if we took a screwdriver? The other one was really tight too. They don't want it falling down. God.
The Tom and Lori way.
Woo! Yep.
It's never easy.
Nothing ever is. I mean, the bracket came with the freaking thing.
Don't pull. Don't pull.
Dang it. Oh, there we go.
Ta-da!
See? It does fit.
Teamwork.
Whew.
So, Once again, what's on there? Once again, it's never easy. But hey, we got the job done.
Take your banner and raise